इन रिस्पॉन्स टू द पहलगाम टेरर अटैक, इंडिया ने इंडस वाटर ट्रीटी को सस्पेंड कर दिया है. With the goal that not a single drop of water should go to Pakistan, it has taken a certain steps. Hello and welcome to EduChemy. I am Ishita और आज हम इसी न्यूज़ को एनालाइज करने वाले हैं. So what has happened so far? Recently, India ने बागिलीहार डैम, which is located on the Chenab River, इसका वाटर फ्लो पाकिस्तान के लिए रोक दिया है. The किशनगंगा प्रोजेक्ट, which is on the झेलम रिवर, इसका रन ऑफ भी कम करने की तैयारी में है. So let's have a look at these two dams in a little detail. Bagilihar Dam, located on Chenab River, it became operationalized in 2008. 900 megawatt की इसकी capacity है and it is located in the Ramban district of Jammu and Kashmir. The next is Kishanganga project, located on the Jhelum River in the Gurez Valley of Jammu and Kashmir. This got completed in 2018 और इसकी capacity about 300 megawatts है. Now apart from these two dams, there are many other dams and hydropower electricity projects on river Indus and its tributaries. So India can also leverage these dams which are under its control to reduce the water supply to Pakistan. जैसे भाखरा dam on river Satluj, Pandho dam on Bias, Bagilihar on Chenab, जहाँ हम ऑलरेडी रोक चुके हैं वाटर सप्लाई फॉर पाकिस्तान, दुल्हस्ती प्रोजेक्ट ऑन चेनाब, उरी हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ रिवर झेलम, इन सबको भी इंडिया यूज कर सकता है. बट डैम्स लाइक द मंगला डैम एंड ताराबेला डैम, नीलम झेलम प्रोजेक्ट, these come under the control of Pakistan, so India cannot use these dams to reduce water flow to their country. This is a map showing the dams and hydroelectricity projects located on Indus and its tributaries. Jhelum par Uri hydroelectricity project, Kishanganga, then on Chenab you can see Bagilihar and Dhulasti. Now apart from this, there are 4 other hydropower projects, the Pakaldhul, Kiru, Kuwar and Ratle. These are also under construction. तो ये भी हमें आगे हेल्प कर सकते हैं to reduce further flow of water whenever these get ready. Apart from this, Jammu Kashmir में about 18,000 megawatt का potential है to generate hydroelectricity. उसमें से about 11,000 alone comes from the Chenab basin. At present, we have only utilized about 24% of this available capacity. So Jammu and Kashmir has an untapped potential in terms of hydroelectricity. अब इस सब का impact पाकिस्तान पे क्या होने वाला है? For its agriculture, Pakistan relies 80% upon the water coming from river Indus. तो जैसे ही इंडिया वाटर कम करता जाएगा towards the country, यहाँ पे food shortages होने लगेंगी. Energy crisis भी हो सकता है because dams like ताराबेला, मंगला, ये सब भी located हैं Indus river और उसकी tributaries पे. तो energy crisis, power shortages is another impact. Then there could be water stress in the cities like Lahore, Multan, Faisalabad. You can see these cities on this map. Karachi, Faisalabad is here. यहाँ पे भी water stress का issue बन सकता है. इंडिया का message clear है. It will no longer tolerate attacks on its soils. So India is using water as a tool of diplomacy. Apart from that, ये hydroelectricity projects जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में energy independence को boost कर रहे हैं. They also help in the flood management. And most importantly, they are helping us assert our sovereignty and protect the interests of our citizens. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up and follow EduChemy for more such content.